In last video we have covered how the hash set works internally. Okay, so now in this video I will show you some basic operation that we can use frequently on the hash set. So as I earlier told you, set does not contain any specific methods. All methods are from the collection interface only. So whatever the methods available in collection interface are by default present in the hash set. Only the implementation part will be the different, but the functionality wise it will work same. So let's try to create the hash set for the integer. So I have created the hash set and given the name as a hs of the integer. Now let's try to add the element into this hash set. So how to add the element? Simply we have the method called as hs dot add. Let's try to add 3 4 element. So I have added the 4 element here. Now let's try to print them. Sysout hs. Now run this. So here you can find we are getting the all element whatever we have inserted. But if you remember, I told you then in hash set there is no guarantee the order in which we insert the element we will get in a same order. But here you can find we are getting in a same order. But how it can possible, right? As I earlier told, hash set works on the hash code, right? So here we have declared the hash set of the type hash code, of the type integer. And I told you in the integer class we have the method hash code which simply gives the hash code as its value. For integer, suppose we have the 1 is the number, then hash code is simply 1. Means whatever the number it is returning the same as its a hash code. That's why we are getting in a same order. Let me show you by using a string. So let me copy this. Let's give the name as a string hash set of type string. Let's try to add the string now, some random string. So what I have done, I have created the hash set of the string now to verify whether it is giving the element in a same order or not. So here you can find we have inserted ABC first, but in output we are getting PQR ABC XYZ. Means order is not same. The order is different whatever we have insert, right? So that is the thing actually in the hash set. So hash set does not guaranteed about the order. Okay, because it's work on a hash code of the element whatever we are going to insert. It was giving the same order because we are using the integer, and integer giving the same value as a hash code. That's why I showed you this in a last video, means how this hash code is got calculated. Okay, so here you can find the order is not same. Okay, now the next thing is let's try to add the duplicates here, right? Now let me add duplicate here. So I have added again ABC, and now let's try to sprint here. So will ABC will be there twice. So here you can find we are getting the ABC only one time, means it is not throwing any exception, it is only doing nothing. Okay, so that is the thing when we trying to add the duplicates. Now let's try to add the null. Sorry. Has said allows the null, but only for the single time, right? So here you can find we are getting the null here. Here also you can find the order is changed now. We added the null at the end, but we are getting it the second position. That means order is not preserved. Okay, so that is how the add its work. Okay, now let's try to remove particular element from this. So for this we have the method called as remove. Now let's try to remove the string xyz. These all operation we have already covered in a collection, so that will work similarly. I am showing some basic operation only here. So here you can find xyz is removed from our string hash set. Okay, so similarly all whatever the method we have covered already in collection, like um, remove if with predicate, remove all, add all, that all will be the same work whatever we have covered in a collection, array list, that will work similarly here also. Hope so guys you are clear with the concept of the hash set.